Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with our new video series Fundamentals of Machine Learning. In this course we will learn about different concepts related to machine learning, and at the end of each topic we will make some exciting projects that will give you a better understanding of each and everything. But before we deep dive into the concepts of ML, let us first understand some of the terms that are related to it. So let's get started. Everyone wants to become a data scientist or a machine learning engineer nowadays, as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science are booming industry in the present era. And why not? Various tech giants such as Facebook, Amazon, Google, Netflix and many more companies are investing in this particular field. And in this new era of technologies, companies and developers around the world are trying to talk more and more about embracing artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So it is very important for us to understand each one of them very specifically and elaborately. So the question comes, what are these terms and how these terms are different from each other? So we will see each one of them very specifically and elaborately. Artificial intelligence, or more popularly known as AI. So what is AI? So AI is a science that empowers computer to mimic human intelligence such as decision making, text processing and visual perception. AI is a very broader field. We can say it's like a big umbrella that contains several subfields such as machine learning, robotics and computer vision. AI enables machine to think without human intervention and covers everything related to making machine more and more smarter. Machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables machine to improve at a given task with experience. ML system can automatically learn and improve without explicitly being programmed. So in ML system or a computer, we provide the system with some data that has some sets of input and output, and based on that it learns and predicts value. So what happens is we provide the system with some input and output set where we provide the input and each input have some output. After seeing this data, the machine or the system try to predict some new values for some new inputs. So basically this is what machine learning is about. There are different types of machine learning such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Don't worry, we will be learning about each one of them in the later videos, but till now just understand these are some of the terms to it. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of ML that is inspired by the way human brain filters information. So it relies on training deep artificial neural network using a large dataset such as images or text. You must be thinking, what is ANN? So ANNs are information processing model inspired by human brain. So in human brain we have billions of neurons and each neuron help us to transfer information inside the brain. Just like that we make a ANN model which have number of neurons, and based on those neurons the machine or the model tries to learn things. DL network architectures are of different types, and some of them are convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network and recursive neural network. We will learn more about deep learning in the later videos, but till now we will understand this only. So to get a clearer picture we can look at this Venn diagram. So artificial intelligence can be considered as the main set in which contains machine learning as its subset, and we can say that deep learning is a subset of machine learning. I hope this Venn diagram gives you a clear picture of the difference between AI, ML and DL. So guys, we have come to the end of this topic. In the next video we will learn about the types of machine learning. Till then, goodbye.